Hello. Hi. Sorry for the condition of my hair there. Didn't sound good today. I don't have a right eye either, sorry. Kind of gruesome. But I've had a bad day, so give me a break. Okay. Free energy system. What the hell is that sound? Anyway. Okay. Stop watching TV. Okay, here we go. Free energy system. Okay, you got a container. Okay, first, okay, you got a pulley system with like a wheel at the top, wheel at the bottom. You know, it's like a basically a rope around it, and the container attached to the rope or whatever. And the container is filled with water. It's a flexible and inflatable type container. And you start at the top, and it's full of water, and it falls. The wheel at the top of the system spins and generates electricity. That's your free energy. The wheel at the bottom also generates electricity, but it's stored in, you know, a battery or a capacitor or whatever. And then, right, when the container gets to the bottom, the energy stored in the battery or whatever is used, the electrical energy is used to, I can't remember what the process is called, but it's passed through the water and turns the water into hydrogen and oxygen. And the oxygen, you know, just let plop off into the air. And the hydrogen stays in the container, that's why it needs to be like a flexible container. And then, right, and it fills up the container, the hydrogen. And since all the water is gone now, the weight is drastically reduced. Not only is it reduced, but now it's full of hydrogen, so it's not just light, it's actually lighter than air. And it lifts it, it now has lift. And it pulls itself up, whereas before it was pulling itself down. So it now pulls up. And then when it gets to the top, all you need is like a spark or something to get the hydrogen burning with oxygen in the atmosphere, which the result is it turns it right back into water, which again fills up the container and turns it into a heavy object again, which then follows again, and the whole process is repeated. Blah blah blah, wah wah wah. You got a perpetual motion system, which I know supposedly is impossible, so there must be a flaw in my reasoning here. But I don't know. Seems to me like it should work. I can't think that. I mean, surely more energy has got to be generated by having something fall through a great distance and then go up through a great distance, since you only need hydrogen, same amount of hydrogen to lift 10 feet, should lift you 20, or 30, or 40, or 50, and almost however high you want, you know, provided you don't run out of atmosphere or whatever. But, you know, I'm seeing this falling. So I don't see why, you know, why the amount of energy that you put into this system shouldn't be less than the amount of energy you can get out of it. At least it seems kind of like it should work that way to me. I don't know. But then again, I'm probably a total fool and delusional. But I like to think of myself as a closet genius. But again, I'm probably just a total delusional fool. But I'll let you decide. And maybe tomorrow I'll tell you about my theory of gravity and how it's actually a repulsive force of space, not the attractive force of matter. Matter is just, you know, pockets that make it. That's a whole other different story. And blah blah blah. Alright. Talk to you later, maybe. Bye. Robert Foster. There it is. Turn this damn thing off. Not wrong button, right?